Hello everybody, after several months I'm back with my with the FTP client, which hopefully will be released soon. Let's hope for several weeks, if not earlier, because I'm leaving for 2 weeks for holiday. But I think the memory is almost full. I have 14 kilobytes for the client, which is almost full, and I want to save some kilobytes of some memory also for bug fixing. Unfortunately, this version will have still some bugs. I was trying to kill them for several months, but they are so randomly I cannot catch them actually, but I will of course be working on them. So let's start. The magenta board is showing we are running on 20 megahertz. So we switch into divider now, divide. Let's run the client. It's this version. Oh, come on. Okay, we're in. So we are in the client. This is what you see is the local FTP server, which is running on my laptop next to my ZX Spectrum. This is actually the source codes of the client, and here are some files. Unfortunately, the client cannot do any ordering of directories or etc. He's just accepting the data as they come from the server. So let's directly download let's download anything. Let's switch to the directory, which is now empty, and let's download something. Let's download this one. Poke txt file and snap file, 4 files together. We'll download them right now. Okay. Only recently I added a function of viewing ZX screens, which is quite useful if you want to download something. Okay, so that's it for it. Let's see what we downloaded. Yeah, it's here. So let's view the poke file. Let's view the txt file. Let's run the tab file. And let's run the snap file. Yeah, it's there. So that's for the client. We are logged in, of course, still. Okay, and of course the client can do various functions. It can find files, mark or unmark files, create directories, rename files, and that's it. So that's for this preview. Hopefully I will release it soon. See you later and bye.